Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. To enable developer options on your TV, you have to press the gear button on your remote control and then select all settings. Now here we're gonna have to scroll down to System, then in System, navigate down to About section. Then in About section, we're gonna have to select Android TV OS build and press OK 7 times on this option. And this will enable the developer options on this TV. And to find them, return to the System menu and then scroll down to Developer Options. And here they are. And that's it. To disable them, switch this toggle to the left. This will not only hide this menu, but will also turn off all the previously applied developer options on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.